Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI video generator. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So here we're going to come over to canva.com. Okay, and the first thing you're going to want to do is just create a design. So for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to do a really simple presentation. Okay, so once the design has then opened, what you're going to want to do is come over to the left-hand side over here, and you're going to see the word apps. If you just select apps, and then what we're going to want to search for is Magic Media. Okay, so then you're going to see all the different apps appear, but what we're after is Magic Media. So if you simply select that one, okay, I have already installed Magic Media, so it's already appearing down here. For you, it may say get or use, so simply select the purple button and then you'll be able to actually access it. Okay, so for the purposes of this video, we're going to be using the AI video generator, so we're just going to select Video tab, and as you can see, it's still in the beta phase, so they're always constantly improving it at the minute. Okay, right, so let's actually use a prompt in this. Shall we go for... Okay, so for this, I'm going to use rain falling in the forest and on leaves. Let's try that. Okay, so we're just going to press generate video, and just bear in mind that videos can take a little while longer to create just purely because of how much information it needs to then generate. So I'm going to speed it up for the purpose of this video. Okay, so here we can see the video has actually been generated. So probably the quickest and easiest way to actually view it is if we just drag the video into your timeline, and then it's going to appear on here. If we just select the play button and see the result we have been given. Okay, it's not bad for a really quick couple-second video, so you can kind of see the water falling onto the leaves. There is a bit of movement there. You can see it has been raining. So yeah, that's not bad for a first attempt. Okay, so if we want to take a look at a different type, see what else it can create, what you could actually do is go back to the main page here, and it's got Inspire Me. So then normally it gives you a bit more of an idea of a prompt of what to put in there, like saying with professional cinematography, so it's got a bit more to go on. So here we've got old book sitting on a desk near a window. Okay, so I'm just going to select generate video again, and then speed up the video just for the timing, and let's see what it creates for us. Okay, so here we have the video has been generated. So let's just drag this over to our timeline and see what it's like. So what we've got, old book sitting on a desk near a window, professional cinematography. So if we just select play. So, okay, so all that's really given us there is a bit of movement in the video. So it's like it's zooming in to the actual books on the shelf. So again, not too bad at all. So that's pretty much it. That's how to use the AI Magic Media app in Canva. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.